Neutering an animal part 2, where one doesn't do an act, a surgical procedure, right? Rather take some kind of chemicals to cause one to be, so to speak, neutered or impotent. So the question is, we learned in the first year that no, a person can certainly not surgically neuter an animal, and a person also, to remove the reproductive organs, male or a female. The only question is, by a female, is it a daraita, drabanan, or possibly muta? But almost everyone holds it as usher on some level. Maybe the taz would be makel in certain cases. Now the question is, fine, you won't do a surgical procedure, just take some chemicals, which is called chemical castration. In terms of the mitzias, sometimes you have a lot of herbs and other things on the market that play around with the hormones can actually cause a person to become impotent. So can a person go ahead and take this or give this to an animal if there is such a chemical, such a potent? So the fact is, the Shulchan Aruch makes it clear if in Even HaEzer Siman Hey that just like cannot do a surgery, cannot do a maaseh of neutering, so too a person cannot go ahead and take some kind of a chemical, some kind of herbs that's going to cause impotence or that would cause the animal to be neuter, where they won't be able to reproduce. But yet the Shulchan Aruch writes that only applies to a male. A woman can, in fact, take such a potion. And the Shulchan Aruch implies that maybe a female animal cannot. And the commentary said it sounds very strange. Beit Shmuel said it sounds very strange. Right? A woman can take this potion, but a female animal cannot? And he says it would seem that no. The heter would be across the board for a female, a human being, and for a woman to take this potion. So it seems to say that maybe a person has a female animal, maybe they could give some kind of chemical, have chemical castration. We'll look into that Miyat Hashem when we have the shirim on halacha l'mais, the application of all these different halachot. The Aruch Shulchan says that yes, the Shulchan Aruch says that a woman can take this potion, okay, to become impotent. That's true, but Aruch Shulchan says clearly it's Hashem's ratzon that the puravu, the world, should be populated, and therefore, stam for a woman to take it would be wrong. There have to be some kind of legitimate medical reason, or maybe it's very, very hard and extra painful for her during the pregnancy, delivery, and that would make an exceptional case. The person would have to deal with a postate. So just to sum things up, everyone agrees that a male cannot take this potion that would cause chemical castration. The Shulchan Aruch says a woman can. The Beit Shmuel says that applies to a female animal as well, but then the Aruch Shulchan limits it by saying it has to be a specific reason, not stam. There's a blanket head there for a female animal to have some kind of chemical castration, or certainly for a female human being to stam to have chemical castration. How these all are applied. Halacha l'mais, we'll see in the future shirim on the topic. Shalom.